What are the different types of home haemodialysis?
So home haemodialysis can be frequent daily dialysis, nocturnal dialysis.
You can have haemodialysis at home, in the day or at night. Nighttime treatment while you sleep is called nocturnal haemodialysis. We do encourage you to choose a treatment plan that is best for your health and for your work and social life. We encourage you to dialyse more often and for longer periods than people do in the dialysis unit. Importantly, this isn't a punishment, it's because people feel better and healthier when having more dialysis. Home haemodialysis is flexible. For example, some people have dialysis 5 days a week for 4 hours. Other people might have dialysis 6 days a week for 8 hours overnight.